Today we're going on an epic adventure. We're doing one of the must-do things in Phuket, which is the Phi Phi Islands.
The Phi Phi Islands, one of Thailand's most well-known and picturesque places that looks like paradise. But there are actually a lot of even more stunning islands around it, like my favorite, Maya Bay. Come join us as we explore them. I'm Ilka and this is Jared. We've sold all our stuff a year ago but kept our jobs and traveled the world full-time while working remotely.
We took our seasickness pills this morning for in case. There the aircon goes on. Good morning. Also very important, not that important, but we were saying milk is very expensive. And it's probably because I was talking to my mum last night and she was like, yeah, it's probably because they're Buddhist or Hindu because it's unholy to milk the cows. Then I realized on all the menus you can either choose chicken or pork or you can choose a seafood one. So yeah, that's why the milk is expensive. That's why they don't have not really beef options unless you go to like an international restaurant.
We booked this tour, linked below, and they pick you up from your accommodation, take you to the different islands, lunch is included, and drop you again at your accommodation at the end. Thailand is very organized with tours for tourists and so easy to travel. First stop, Phi Phi Don, the largest of the Phi Phi Islands, and it truly feels like paradise. There are resorts where you can stay and scuba diving.
It is 10 square kilometers. It really feels like an island. It's very cool.
We have 6 islands altogether. We call group of 50. Ladies and gentlemen, the first island we call bamboo because they have many big bamboo grow up here. Then why the local people want to make an easy name, like around here we have much more than 10 coconut islands.
So we got snorkels, but we took the option where you get snorkels because we thought we wouldn't get snorkels. But I think everybody gets snorkels, but if you took the option to get snorkels, you get it for life. So we got a snorkeling equipment.
Yeah.
It was $105 for the day, I think with other snorkels for like $90.
FYI, full-face snorkels aren't the greatest, especially if you have a small face. I recommend just using normal snorkels.
These kind of monkeys Hawaii, they look friendly though, but they're not.
A reminder that for every new subscriber to this channel, we feed or donate a meal for a stray animal. There are so many around the world that need help, especially in Thailand. You can also follow the link on the screen or in the description below to donate more meals for only the price of a takeaway coffee. Welcome to Maya Bay, my favorite by far out of all the islands. It has such a mystical atmosphere and no words can describe it. The movie The Beach was also filmed there.
Only people that stay is like 4 or 5 rangers, and this is where they stay.
Maya Bay was destroyed by over-tourism, so to rehabilitate it, you are currently not allowed to swim here or stay here overnight. It was a rocky ride back and you spend quite a bit of time on the boat. Take those seasickness tablets and just keep them nearby during all your travels in Thailand.
We are in a new apartment, which is literally down the hallway. We enjoyed staying so much in this compound place that we decided to stay longer in here and not go stay in Patong Beach because, yes, this is very nicer. So yeah, our Airbnb guy had, our place was fully booked, but he had one down the hallway, so here we are. We're venturing out for the first time to our own beach, where we're staying. Do you know what it's called?
I looked at it, I've forgotten.
I was looking at top things to do in Phuket, and then number 3 that came up was Bang To Beach, which is where we're going to now, which we don't know anything about. It's just like the beach that's here. And they say it's really nice. It's an 8-kilometer strip of beach.
It's petrol.
Oh, that's cute for you, cookie. Jared was saying that this road feels actually quite local, and I think it's quite right. A bunch of locals that stay here, which is so cool to actually experience it. They're all got like little shrines. Yeah. That's okay. Jared navigated us this very cute eatery street. There's a food truck. Just closed. For nachos, fish tacos, mango sticky rice. I want a mango sticky rice. I've been going on about mango sticky rice forever. Croissant ice cream, Jared. Donut ice cream. But that, I really want that mango sticky rice.
Oh wow. The body.
Yeah, I won't sit here and work. I will die from the heat.
Okay.
They got like a co-working space here outside, where you have like plugs and you can plug in your stuff while you work here. But I don't think I'll ever be able to sit here and work. It's way too hot. I won't be able to think. But it's cool. Good job, Jared.
It's cool here.
So cool. Buy a cocktail, get one free.
Vodka, lychee juice, ginger and lime.
Ooh, good choice. I think I like that.
And then, that's actually a lychee.
And
Gold
you?
on it. And I got the Caribbean. Rum, melon liqueur, coconut liqueur, pineapple juice and lime juice.
Jared got hot, so he put on a fan. Smart man.
It's like
Jared got
spring rolls and this is chicken.
chicken. Good.
It's fresh.
It's so good. I have to go get the name, but it's like a salad with like noodles. It tastes healthy. Which beers have you had so far?
Chang. This is Singa. And now I'm gonna have the Thai.
I remember the Tang.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's tasty. It's tastier than that one.
Really? Your favorite
Closer.
one?
Maybe it's closer to like a. Well, it's a lager.
So I finally got my mango sticky rice that I've been waiting for a week. There's mango, there's sticky rice, there's coconut. I'm very excited to eat this because Jared's holding the camera like a poo-poo. Maybe dip it in here?
What you did now anyway.
It's really nice, but I like this at big chocolate. I feel like this is more like a snack. Food was really good. So when I saw this lacquer Thai, I thought, oh, lacquer, that's quite South African. Like lacquer in South Africa is nice and everything is like lacquer. Yeah, we just thought everything lacquer. And this Thai place is owned by South African and they sell biltong, which is like our national food, which is like dried meat. People say sometimes compare it to beef jerky, which is like illegal to do that because it's not beef jerky. We made it back. It is so hot. Jared can't even take his shirt off. It's too sweaty.
Oh.
Loser.
It's actually warmer here.
I feel like we need to do laundry like 20 times a day. I'm joking, just once a day. Because the clothes are always sweaty. You can never rewear clothes because it's always sweaty.
In the next video, we head to Koh Tao Island, which is one of the cheapest and best places to get your open water, advanced and other diving certifications. So that is exactly what we did. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.